Well, we're going to start off by trolling the SR7 Fire Tiger and UV Hot Pink. Elena's choice. Come over here, Elena. Which one do you think is going to catch him?
My lucky pink one.
You got to get in the camera.
My lucky pink one.
There we go. Stay tuned. It should be some fast action here shortly. Fun.
What is it? Walleye?
Yep.
Yay.
One for the box. Got one. Ooh, this is a big one.
Number 5.
Nice one. Number 6.
No, it's
Another
number
nice
5.
eater.
There's 4 in it.
Got another one. Watch out. Oh, it's a bass. Oh, bass.
I wish it was a walleye.
Yeah, me too. Oh, he came off. Oh, I waited too long. Took my minnow.
Here's a tip. We were using fatheads and white jigs.
Try again. You want to get the net?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's a bass. You want to get him in the net?
So I wish we caught.
You got one. Your bobber's under. Yank it.
It's a big one.
Reel them up.
It's a big one.
Whoa.
Ah!
Oh boy. Keep reeling. Nice ball. Nice walleye. Emma, we got it. Elena got a nice one. Like the ones we were getting the other day. Yep. That's number 6 for us. I think.
Yeah, it is number 6. But we missed more. We could have had 12 already.
Oh, she hung up.
We could have had 12 already if we didn't miss any.
Well, the kid's giving up. I guess it's up to Dad to bring in the walleyes. Oh, we got one on the other line too. Oh, we're gonna wish we caught this one.
I haven't caught one in a long time.
That one's mine. No, it's your pull.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's mine. You have to catch him on your pole.
Another good eater. Got one. Yeah, nice one. Ooh, this is gonna be a nice one. And I might need a net. Need a net?
Yeah.
Good job.
Splashed me in the middle, went right past my face.
There we go. See him coming up. Ooh, see him. Here he comes. And push it to turn it off.
We got it.
Got him. Get over there with the net. Here he comes.
Come here, Cushy. Oh my gosh. Got it.
There we go.
There's another walleye. Almost came off.
Well, we have 11. You think we can catch one more?
Yeah.
2 minutes?
One more.
Then we have our limit.
This is gonna be our last
Oh,
one.
it's a crappie.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Can we keep it?
No.
Why? It's a crappie. Can I let it go?
Yeah. If I can
That's
catch
a
it.
wild one.
Show the camera.
A crappie. This is a pretty big one.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Well, how was that?
Good.
Time to head in?